Yes. So my question is, in your house, the fan is in which shape? Fan wings you can remove. You are able to see the fan, the circular shape or rectangular shape or any other shape. Tell me.
Circular shape.
Circular shape.
Circular shape.
Today you remember, if you maximum objects or machines which we see in our house, they work with magnetic effect. Okay, and all the machines which are in circular shape, they work with magnetic effect. What is magnetic effect? Let us first discuss the magnetic effect, which is quite important when compared with the heating effect or chemical effect. Okay, what is magnetic effect? You see, a wire or a conductor carrying current develops a magnetic field. So this is the conductor rod. I am passing the current through it. Entire subject is you take the conductor and pass the current. When current flows through the conductor, what is the first basic effect which you have studied just now? After a certain period of time, the conductor gets heated up. It becomes hot. Okay, it becomes hot. So after this heating effect, when current flows through a conductor, what's going to happen? Magnetic field is created. Always magnetic field creation will be circular in shape. You can see the magnetic lines of force. Okay. So what is magnetic effect? So whenever current flows through a conductor, magnetic field is created. Magnetic field direction is perpendicular to the flow of current. You can see current is flowing in this manner, magnetic field is 90 degrees to it, perpendicular. So which is called the magnetic effect. So I will show you the real video next class onwards, as I mentioned, promised yesterday also. I'll show you that one. So now I want to produce maximum magnetic field in order to rotate fan. If you open and see the fan, you are having the copper wire, huge copper wire with the number of turns to create the maximum magnetic field. So this is called the magnetic effect. What is the magnetic effect? A wire or conductor carrying current develops a magnetic field perpendicular to the flow of current. Or you can write in your own words, whenever current flows through a conductor, magnetic field is created. What is the statement? Anybody repeat? Whenever current flows through a conductor, magnetic field is magnetic field is created. You should draw this diagram, not this right side. No need to draw the hand. Only this particular rod and the magnetic field, which is called the magnetic effect. So, which elements? What are the applications of magnetic field? Example: fan. In your house, the fan. One more example. Anyone tell me? Cooler. Water cooler is there? No. Water cooler also you are having the fan. It is also, if you see, remove the wings, it is circular in shape. So in order to create maximum magnetic field, we should use number of copper wires or copper rods. So for you in the examination, you can write simple definition here, magnetic effect. So magnetic effect we'll study in detail. Okay, beyond this syllabus also will take. Now, so what are the three effects of electric current? All of you: heating effect, chemical effect, and
Magnetic effect.
Yes, magnetic effect. Heating effect is separate topic, we already taken. So same thing is there here. What is heating effect? Anyone tell me in general? Whenever current flows through a copper or conductor, conductor gets heated after certain period of time. That's all. Whenever current flows through the conductor gets heated or becomes hot after certain period of time. That is, electric energy is converted into heat energy. So remember this line. Okay, directly you can write whenever current flows through a conductor gets heated up or becomes hot That is, electric energy is converted into heat energy. Okay, that is the answer. Here also same thing you are going to write. Okay, so conversion of electric energy into heat energy is called joule heating. Okay, as I mentioned. So the same example you can see here: iron box, water heater, toaster, bread toaster. You might have seen. Immediately, if you place the bread, it gets heated up. So it works on the principle of heating effect of the current. Okay, so now. So no need to draw this diagram. Already we have drawn the heating effect. Now let us see the chemical effect. Chemical effect means what? Converting the electric energy into chemical energy. So now you can see here. When current, from here we have to write, okay? When current passes through the electrolyte. What is electrolyte here? The solution. So here we say the battery is connected, positive and negative terminal. We have taken carbon rod and this is the copper wire, okay? And interconnecting wire is also copper. So we say one new circuit. What is that circuit? The combination of positive terminal, the combination of battery, carbon rod and liquid solution. What is the name of the liquid solution? Copper sulfate, which is called electrolyte. The combination of battery, carbon rod and liquid solution is called one circuit. Okay, one simple circuit. When current passes through the electrolyte like copper sulfate solution, both electron and positive copper ions conduct electricity. So in simple words we can write the combination of two lines. We can write the combination of battery, carbon rod and electrolyte solution forms a circuit both electron and positive copper ions conduct electricity. The process of conduction of electric current through the solution is called the electrolyte. So what is the explanation here? So when you connect a battery to the carbon rod as well as the copper wire and place them inside the electrolyte solution, so what happens? Electric energy is created. Here also we say electric energy is converted into chemical or chemical energy is converted into electrical. So we see this one. So heating effect and magnetic effect both are important. So right, the solution through which electricity passes is electrolyte. Now, so all of you, the last topic. Please tell me. 1 second, your voice is not clear.
Sir, once again, chemical effect.
Chemical, I will tell you.
Chemical effect again, tell sir.
Yes, yes. Explain chemical effect. What is a chemical effect? Chemical effect practically contains a battery. You must write in this manner, easy manner. Okay. Chemical effect practically contains a battery. And what is the difference between cell and battery? Cell is the smallest part of the battery. Number of cells equal to one battery. Okay. Right. Chemical effect practically contains the battery, carbon rod and copper wire, which are all connected. And this combination is placed in electrolyte solution, which is copper sulfate we are using, electrolyte solution. Okay. So all students, so first statement is important. Chemical effect contains the combination of battery, carbon rod and copper wire, which are connected together. And this combination is placed inside the electrolyte solution. Okay. Now, electric current, right, you can write from this statement. Whenever current, now from the battery, what's going to happen? Current starts to flow. So whenever current flows through the electrolyte solution, electron and positive conduct electricity, the process of condition. Now what we are trying to say is, so when you turn on the battery, current flows through this particular rods, and that current can also flow through this particular copper sulfate solution. Okay, so we are saying that we can convert electric energy to chemical energy or from chemical to electrical energy. So here once again, yes, only two lines you can write. The process of conduction of electric current through solution is called the electrochemical effect. Chemical effect here, just scroll down this one, is called electrolysis. So once again, I repeat all of you, now you will understand without any doubt. You want to generate electricity. Let us say you want to generate electricity. Okay, from batteries we get electricity. Battery converts which energy to which energy? Chemical energy to electrical energy. Now
Electrical energy.
Heat energy.
battery converts chemical energy to electric energy. Okay.
Electrical.
Now all of you, now you listen. Next class I'll give one more diagram. First imagine that here I'm not placing any battery. Okay, here I'm not placing any battery. Okay, I'm placing bulb.
Okay.
All of you.
Okay.
I'm placing the bulb here. Okay. So now
Okay.
a bulb is connected to the carbon rod. Okay, and the another end of the bulb is connected to the copper, and this combination is placed inside the electrolyte solution. So what's going to happen? This will act as positive terminal, carbon rod will act as positive terminal, and copper will act as negative terminal. With the help of the electrolyte solution, current flows through the carbon rod and the copper rod, and finally the bulb is on. Understood, all of you? So practically, tomorrow,
Blue.
yes, the bulb will be on. Tomorrow I'll show you the different circuit that you can write in the examination. Okay. So imagine we are not using the battery here. So entire this circuit is called the battery. So this entire it is called the battery here. So here we say that with the help of copper sulfate solution, carbon rod and copper wire or copper rod, and if bulb is connected to it, then what's going to happen? The combination of copper rod, which is acting as positive terminal, this is carbon rod acting as positive terminal, copper wire is acting as negative terminal, and electrolyte solution, the combination of, now in one line we can write, okay? Chemical effect circuit contains a bulb connected to copper rod, which is acting as positive terminal, and bulb again another end is connected to the copper wire. The combination is placed inside the electrolyte solution. Okay, the combination of copper rod, copper wire and electrolyte solution generates the current. That current flows through the bulb and hence the bulb is on. So we are converting chemical energy to electric energy.
Electrical energy.
Chemical energy to electrical energy.
Electric energy.
Okay. So next class we'll go in detail. You can ask one question, sir, I want to convert electric energy to chemical. That I will explain later on here. Okay. What is chemical effect means? All of you see here, it is very simple. What is heating effect? Electric energy is converted into heat energy. And what is magnetic effect? Electric energy is converted into magnetic energy.
Magnetic.
What is chemical effect? Now we are explaining reverse. Chemical energy is converted into electric energy. Let us place a bulb.
Electric energy.
Electric energy. Let us place a bulb, and bulb is connected to the carbon rod, which is acting as positive terminal. Bulb another end is connected to the copper wire, which is acting as negative terminal. If this combination is placed in electrolyte solution, electricity is generated. Because of that electricity, the bulb is on, which is the chemical effect. As chemical energy, chemical reaction is converted into electric energy. All batteries, they convert chemical energy to electric energy. Okay. So here it is written, highlighted.
Electric energy.
Yes, you can write this statement. That's the process of conduction of electric current through solution. Which solution? Copper sulfate solution is called electrolysis. The electricity process is electrolyte. Here we say we are converting chemical energy to electric energy. So as I mentioned, the positive terminal is acting as anode. Anode is the positive terminal, cathode is negative terminal. Okay. So magnetic effect we have seen. I hope it is clear. Next, tomorrow I'll explain the chemical effect with the new diagram. Okay. That diagram you can write in the examination. So all of you, now last topic. Now any doubt is there, you can ask any student. Don't hesitate. Any doubt is there, you can ask. Now, what is the definition of work, energy, power? Okay. All of you see here, first just now I mentioned, in our subject, formula only you have to remember. What is the formula for voltage? Anyone tell me? Voltage formula? V is equal to I into R. V is equal to
I into R, sir.
I into R.
I into R. Okay. Now just now I have shown you water tap. Okay. Now remember, what is the definition of power? Means electric power, the product of voltage and current. So in your house, people will say, in our house today current is not there. Okay, that word is wrong. We should always say power, because when you turn on the switch, voltage will be present at the switch. And if you connect the wires, then current flows through the wire. The product of voltage and current is called the power. So now you tell me, your bulb takes current, voltage, or power? Anyone tell me? Bulb eats or bulb
Power.
receives power. Very good. Voltage and current is present, then only power will be there, and every object will take power only. Okay. Fan rotates because of only voltage. Only if you turn on the switch. If the wires are not connected to the fan will rotate? No. Fan rotates when you turn
No,
on
sir.
when you turn on the switch. At this switch, you are having the voltage, and through the switch you are having the wires. Through that wires, current flows, and that current flows through the wires and reaches the fan. So fan is able to study, react to voltage and current. The product of voltage and current is called the power. Okay, remember all of you, P is equal to V into I. I will show you that formula. The formula is important. P is equal to V into I. Last we have written, all of you. Power is the rate at which work is done. That is 9th class also we are having. Yes or no? Power is the rate of doing work. But here we are speaking electric power. So what is the formula we have written here? All of you, last one is important. The unit of power is watt, and power is equal to voltage into current.
That
And
is
P
equals to voltage into current.
Okay, so right.
V into I.
V into I. So that's why I was showing the water tap. Water tap, changing the position of water tap is voltage. Flow of water is nothing but is similar to current. So P is equal to voltage into current. Remember, today onwards, if in the examination also they ask you define power, you can write directly P is equal to V into I. You will get full
V
marks.
into I.
That's all. That is the only thing you remember. Power equal to voltage into current. Now, what is energy? Power into time. Let us, in your house, all of you, you are having one meter where electricity people will come and they will take the readings every month. Yes or no? Are you having or not? That
Yes,
meter in
sir.
your house. Okay.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That meter is called power
Having,
meter.
sir.
Yes. That meter is called power meter or energy meter? Energy meter. That meter
Power
is called,
Energy
meter,
meter.
it is energy meter. Power,
Energy
see,
meter.
energy is equal to power into time.
Power into time.
Energy is equal to power consumed by your house for 24 hours every day. Okay, that's why energy is equal to power into time. You can see the definition. This formula we can write. That's enough. Energy is equal to power into time. Entire
Power
polytechnic
into
3 years
time.
of education. What is the energy? Energy is equal to power into time. P into T. That is our subject actually. The remembering the formula, not the English. Okay. So what it is explaining, in your house you are having the fan, the fridge, all the things. So for 24 hours, how much power they are taking, consuming, it is explained by the energy. So always energy is equal to power into time. Okay. Now what is the work done? Power into time. That is the formula. We'll take the work done. So work formula. So work is mechanical one. Work is equal to force into displacement, which you have studied. That is the same thing. But today we have taken new definition of work in the heating effect. What is the definition? Work is equal to charge into voltage.
V.
Q into V. Okay. Work is equal to charge into voltage. Work. So all of you, energy and power definitions are important. Okay. Energy and power definitions. So that's enough for the class. Please mute all of you. Please, we are getting disturbance. Right, 1 second. Let us check with the slide. Now, that's why I was showing. Now you can see water tap I am showing. Okay, this derivation we have done. What is the work formula? Work is equal to voltage into charge. Okay, we have taken this one.
Charge into.
Yes, heating effect we have done. That is the essay question. The material also I'll provide. Okay, resistance. Opposition to the current is called resistance. Okay, so which element will show you resistance? Resistor. Okay, you can purchase the resistor outside. Resistor is then insulator. So we have taken resistance, phase difference. So today we close here, and I will show you the one second. Yes, all students, those who are present, you see here what you have to study in Polytechnic. Okay, just like we are having certain syllabus prescribed by the diploma. Okay, SBTET. Everybody know SBTET. Okay, SBTET, they give the syllabus. All of you see what is unit 1? Anyone? It is visible.
Fundamentals of electricity.
In that, which fundamental we have taken yesterday? AC fundamentals.
AC fundamentals.
AC
AC
fundamentals.
fundamentals.
Yes, how you are generated. You will get this is the syllabus actually, unit 1. Okay, generation of alternating current, cycle, time period, RMS value, form factor we have taken yesterday. Okay, two definitions I'll take. We'll finish. So today we have taken eating effect of electric current. Yes or no, all of you. So tomorrow we'll take the batteries. How
Yes,
batteries
sir.
work, everything will take tomorrow. But batteries.
Okay, sir.
Yes, yes. 1 second. One last, one small definition is there. Yesterday we have missed out. All of you, yesterday we have taken the RMS current. Very important definition is RMS current definition.
RMS current.
Okay. So form factor, you must remember. What is this form factor means? Practically, remember form factor is the ratio of RMS current to average current. Another name for average is mean. What is the form factor?
Mean.
Form factor is the ratio of RMS current to average current. Okay. So what is this form factor? Okay, 1.11 we are going to get. Because RMS value formula we have to remember, there is no derivation for you. So 0.707 into IM. Yesterday we have taken. Okay, you can see that one. If you are having doubt, we'll discuss once again. Just substitute. Form factor value is 1.11. Form factor meaning is what? So to our house we are getting which current? AC current or DC current? To our house we are getting
AC current.
AC current.
AC
Okay.
current.
AC current, yes, AC current we are getting, and that AC current is having the good energy. It is not creating any disturbance to the fan or fridge or television. Means it is having the form factor value how much? 1.11. Okay, 1.11. So let us say during certain rainy seasons, what happens in your house also, you'll see the fan rotates but huge sound will be created. Have you experienced that one? Sound of the fan.
Yes, sir.
Okay, under that, during that period of time, the form factor value will not be 1.11. Okay, so during abnormal condition, the form factor value, if it is not 1.11, there will be disturbance in our house. So that's why this value is important. Similarly, the peak factor also. What is the peak factor definition? Peak value by RMS value, or peak current by RMS current. Peak current, another name is what? Maximum current. Okay, just above this one we have taken these two definition. I forgot yesterday. So peak current by maximum current, the value is how much? 1.414. So we'll take the explanation once again for this one in the second chapter. But for time being, remember what is the value of form factor? 1.11, and peak factor is 1.414. If this value, yes, if this value, what these values are explaining? These values are explaining the quality of AC current. If these values are not 1.414 or 1.11, AC current which is coming to your house, it will not perform real work. Okay, the bulb will blink always on and off like that. So always we have to make sure that the form factor and peak factor values are 1.11 and 1.414. Okay. So tomorrow's class we will study what are rechargeable batteries, and tomorrow's class I will show you the animation. In the group I will show you the animation also, how we are supposed to develop any new thing. Okay, definitely in the first year only you will develop different type of machines. Okay, now
Excuse me, sir.
Okay, sir.
yes, go ahead.
Sir, yesterday you
How
sent
to write
PDF.
One student,
Sir, that we should write on notes, huh?
See, all of you, just listen. Okay, one by one you ask. Okay, see, this is not school to my knowledge. Okay, you put one particular notes. Okay, and if you are comfortable by reading this one, and if you say without writing you are perfect. Okay, for time being, no need to write anything. Understood, all of you, all students. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'm not going as a rule.
Yes,
write
sir.
every day, write all the things. You prepare and be ready with your brain. Okay. So before examination, you must be in a position to write in the examination. That practice you can do. But every day, you keep your brain as a research brain. You want to invent any new thing. You want to invent the robot. So what are the material I have given? You read and be perfect. Okay. And technically, you see everywhere. Okay. Now, one question I'm asking today, you search for that one. Okay, all of you. From near your house, pole is there, no electric pole. All of you, pole,
Yes, sir.
electric pole. Yes, from
Yes, sir.
electric pole to your house, okay, to your energy meter. It is connected to energy meter. How many wires are coming? Okay, you see and tell me. Don't ask anyone. Research should be done by you only. Okay, don't go near the pole. Be at certain distance. See if to your house only. How many wires are coming to your house from the pole? Okay, and tomorrow's class.
No, sir.
How
Okay.
many? You
Two
see.
wires.
Sir, one, sir.
You see all of
Two,
you.
sir.
See that one practically.
Okay, sir.
How many wires are going to your neighbor house and
Okay.
your house? Only the power wires. Okay, right. Let us end this session. Any
Okay,
question
sir.
is there? Ask
Okay, sir.
anyone. Any question you can ask?
No, sir.
Okay, right.
Nothing.
Okay, this material
No,
I'll
sir.
post, and that automatically YouTube recordings also will be there. Okay, I'll share that one. Okay, right. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you.